I have a magnet, and here I have another magnet. And one of the principles behind every magnet is that they have poles. And all magnets have two poles, north and south. So, similar to electric charges, like positive and negative charge, poles would have an interaction of positivity and negativity, meaning similar charges would repel each other, and positive charges would be attracted to each other. So, in the case of this magnet, I have north and south pole. In the case of this magnet, I also have north and south pole. If I bring two similar charges together, they would repel. If I bring different charges, they would attract. So let's put this into practice. I have north pole and I have south pole. Let's put this into practice, and if I bring them close together, they would stick because south and north would be attracted. But let's shift the poles. I have this north pole and north pole again. Similar charges would repel each other, so it repel each other. They are repelling each other. There's this invisible force that is repelling. It makes them resist sticking. Even if I try, as you can see now, they would not stick with each other, even if I try. But even if I force them to stick, let's see what happens even if I force them to stick. The moment when I let them go, they would spring away. That was the interaction between these two forces. Let's try out this south and south pole. They would repel. Let's see the interaction. They are repelling each other. The moment when I let them go, they would spring away. Magnets are really fun and really interesting concept to study, especially the interaction between the poles, repulsion and attraction. So let's create a little experiment involving the interaction between the poles. So here I have this different magnets and I have this battery. And I'm going to place my battery on my magnet, as you can see. So now it is firm. It is not really fragile right now. So I'm going to place another magnet on this system. But here, one thing to remember. Take into the consideration the interaction between the poles. First of all, I need to bring closer two different charges together. Let's do north pole and north pole. What happens is repulsion. These two north poles are repelling each other, as you can see. Even if I try to force them, the upper magnet is staying afloat. Here it is, magnet levitation. Our magnet is floating in the air, resisting the force of gravity. Now, as you can see, even if I tried them, it would go back to its original position. It is levitating. Magnet levitation. Essentially, similar charges repel each other, and different charges always attract each other. That was the interaction between the magnets and magnetism. Always stay tuned for the experiments, and stay tuned for more.